Here, I'll show you how to increase laptop volume using keyboard shortcut. So if you have the Windows computer that supports volume control on the keyboard, all you just need to do is scroll through the buttons, then locate the volume button. Most cases it's between F5 and F7. Now, to increase your laptop volume using keyboard, locate and press F7. Then you should see the volume increased. You see that? Now, to reduce the volume, locate and press F6. You see the volume reduced. Now, to mute your laptop volume with keyboard, locate and press F5. You should see F5. Once you press F5, the volume is going to be muted, and at the bottom right, the volume is muted. So to unmute it, press F5 again. You should see it unmuted. Then F7 to increase volume using keyboard, F6 to reduce volume using keyboard, and F5 to mute volume on laptop. So that's exactly how to increase or decrease volume on laptop using keyboard. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.